Hello, I'm Paddy Madden. Desmond and I would like to welcome you to our website, Engage with Nature. This website covers biodiversity, seasonal nature and organic gardening. All in all, it encourages people to tread lightly on the earth. There is no need to buy an expensive bird table for the school garden. A very good one can be made from waste materials. You will need a piece of timber, an old steel tubular pipe, a socket for above, a piece of wood about 6 centimetres square, a piece of wood about 2.5 centimetres square and 5 centimetres long, lengths of lath, wood glue, axe, hammer and panel pins. Tack the pieces of lath to the platform. There will be spaces at the corners to allow for drainage and cleaning. Hold the 6 centimetre piece of wood in the centre of the platform. Screw a chrome socket into the opposite side to attach the tubular pipe. Pair the side of the 2.5 centimetre piece to fit into the top of the tubular pipe. Hammer the 2.5 centimetre piece into the tubular pipe. Apply glue to the piece of wood in the tubular pipe. Insert the tubular pipe into the socket beneath the platform. Insert the bird table into the ground and move it around the garden regularly for. Thank you for viewing this video. We have over 90 more videos plus images and resources on our website. So please tread lightly on the earth as you engage with nature.